This message is about something that we've all heard about. It's not something that quite excites us, but it is so darn important to a commission salesperson's productivity and success. And it's goal setting. GOAL, goal setting. Let me share with you why I feel it's so important. I had a coaching call yesterday with a number of salespeople with a certain Fortune 100 company. And we were working with them on setting ambitious, clearly focused goals. I asked one of the participants in that meeting, what should I expect from them the last 2 days of this work week, which would be Thursday and Friday? And this person responded, they will make either 20 or 50 prospecting contacts, prospecting outreach attempts. 20 or 50. Think about that for a second. 20 gets you a certain set of results. 50 gets you 2.5 times whatever 20 would give you. So here's this person in a goal setting session. Basically, by this person's words that they spoke, it's indicative of the fact that they have no goals. When they can look you straight in the eye in the Zoom meeting that we were in and say, I'm either going to do 20 or 50. And by the way, they said that 3 times. I'm either going to do 20 or 50. It's an indication that they had no goals. So how does this pertain to you who are the folks watching this video? When you're setting your goals, good goals always have numbers attached to them. And those numbers should be things that represent stretch activities for you, but doable activities for you. So the person yesterday in the session ultimately landed on 20. Perfect. This person, that's the baseline. That was the lowest denominator of what she was saying between 20 and 50. Okay, do 20. You're going to get a certain set of results. Now that that's established as this person's comfort zone, now they can stretch it out to 25 or 30. But to think about going from 20 to 50, your psyche and your goal-seeking mechanism doesn't work that way. Typically, when folks are trying to bust through comfort zones, it's done in increments. So going back to the number of 20, a good stretch goal would be what? 25, perhaps 30. That's what they can strive for next week. But 50 is totally outside the realm of possibility when this person is saying that they're comfortable making 20 prospecting contacts. In summary, when you're setting goals, you need to attach action steps. Okay, prospecting, that is a great action step. We need to attach a number. So at the end of the day, we can review our day and we can say either I hit it, and awesome, pat yourself on the back, or I came up short. And if I came up short, now let me investigate why did I come up short and see if it's something that I can tend to, that I can fix, that I can recalibrate. So my next day, I'll actually hit whatever that number is. So it's quite important to have numbers. As you're thinking about goals, we find goals to be the number 2 most important corroborator of success for commission salespeople. And that's just not this Manard dude talking. We have numerous research projects that says at ABC company, the top producers have the most ambitious, most rock solid goals. And the folks that are struggling have goals that are much cloudier, they're murky, sometimes non-existent. So it's not just Manard talking, it's years of research that our company has done that are actually giving me these viewpoints and opinions that I've just shared with you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have a great day. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and share.